What can cause your car heater to stop working? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, what your car heater does is it actually takes the radiator fluid or coolant and it cycles it inside the car. That's hot water essentially, and it radiates that heat into you. So number one is the fan blowing. If the fan's not blowing, you're not going to get good heat. Number two, you have a hot-cold temperature, or some cars have automatic temperatures where you can select the thermostat. If the doors inside the dash aren't working, then you're not going to have heat either. But the most common things that we see here in Arizona for heating issues are, number one is if the cooling system has not been maintained, or radiator fluid or antifreeze, whatever you want to call it, it can start to restrict the flow through the heater core inside the car. And then also, if we get low on that antifreeze or coolant, then we get an air pocket in the heater core, which is exactly what's happened on this car. And then we don't get heat because we don't actually have that hot engine coolant helping to warm it up. Hope this has answered your questions. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.